What's up guys, Trev here, and today I am taking a look at the Hot Wheels Redline Club 1976 Volkswagen Golf Mark 1 GTI, the Golf. Just by the way, I have a lot of stuff around me. I was out of town for a week in Salt Lake City for Monster Jam World Finals, so I have a bit of a backlog of videos I need to do, specifically 4. This is the first of those 4. The next one is going to be this, and then this stuff over here. All right, Golf, here it is. Okay, first note about this release. The model is not screwed into the base, so when you are taking this out, when you are unboxing it, please be careful because there's a good chance it could fall out. Just be aware it is not screwed in. It does have the new stackable case. Here's the outer box, very basic Golf deco. There's the back. If you want to read that, there's a mosquito flying around me, by the way, so if I kind of, yeah, there it is. This is apparently a new spectraflame color. It's like a spectraflame kind of Golf. That's what it says on the back. It says new Golf blue spectraflame. A lot of the times with RLC Golf releases, they don't use spectraflame. It's just regular, like, light blue paint. Like the 959 last year. I think we had the 510 a couple of years ago. But this is actually spectraflame. And here we go. The base is also printed in black, which looks pretty nice. Keep in mind, it's not screwed in. Be careful when you're taking it out. And here we go. This is the second release of this casting. It debuted last year in, I believe, Shadow Chrome. So this is the second release. It has a bit of detail there on the bottom. The exhaust kind of printed in. You have kind of the white, I guess you could call those like, it's like a, is it a 10-spoke wheel? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's an 8-spoke wheel, actually. I usually call them like the Watanabe style wheels. And I guess in this case it wouldn't really be that correct. You got the double horseshoe there on the back. Golf logo, number 1, modal Sparko Eibach there. Have some orange trim with a white stripe on the bottom. Here's the front grille in all of its glory. Here's the hood. Here's the back. You got a Golf on the license plate. Volkswagen, Golf, GTI, all that stuff. It's a very light blue. It really is a spectraflame Golf blue. There's my reflection. I'm getting fingerprints all over this because I'm just handling this with my bare hands. The seats are actually printed in. It's got like a grid pattern in there on the seats, or kind of a red grid, which is pretty sweet. And the hood does open on this casting. There you go. There's the engine detail. It is chromed. It looks like it's a separate piece, and the top there is orange. Looks pretty nice in there. Pretty good release. I don't remember how much this was. I think this came out last Tuesday, like a week ago, and I'm just now getting to it because, well, I was gone for a week. This is a pretty nice release. I don't really know what to say about it other than that it's a Volkswagen Golf in Golf livery. It's the Golf. It looks really nice, though. It's a nice little, little hatchback. There you go. It rolls in usual Hot Wheels fashion. It's a nice RLC release. We've had some chase releases come out, and I think the last drop was I think was the Ford pickup, which I didn't do a video on because I don't really open my carded RLC stuff. But this thing does look pretty nice. It's a nice little Golf. Looks pretty good. Nice opening feature. And it does shut nicely. It doesn't poke up or anything. The panel gaps are not too big. It's pretty good. And yeah, that's the model. Honestly, not much to say about it. It's a Golf. It looks sweet. It's cool. It's cool casting, cool deco, cool execution. Bit of a short video. Usually when I'm looking only at one car, there's not a lot to talk about. But this is still pretty cool, and I really do like it. And yeah, that was the Golf.